Hey, are you worried about your Telegram account's privacy? Want to enable extra security but not sure how? In this video, I'll guide you step by step to set up two-step verification on Telegram, giving your account an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Step-by-step guide. Open the Telegram app on your device, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen, select Settings from the menu, tap Privacy and Security, choose Two-Step Verification. Pick a strong password and tap Continue. Retype the same password to confirm it. Optionally, add a hint to help you remember your password. Add a recovery email, optional. Telegram will send a verification code to this email. Enter the verification code from your email to confirm the recovery email. That's it. You've successfully enabled two-step verification on your Telegram account. Now your Telegram account is much more secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.